Hi guys. So guys, look at my kids. Look at my kids. Do you like DJ? Daririra. Dito na sila titira, guys. Oh, our Car. Daddy, ulo ko, I cook fish. I cook sinigang. Ay, paksyo. Kimchi, cucumber. Ayan guys. Kimchi lahat. Ready na yung dinner namin. Ready na.
Kimchi flan, what?
Pampano. Ay,
Just train. The whole new vector.
Oh, what happened there?
Hi people! Hi! Welcome to our YouTube channel!
Welcome!
So guys, look at us here. We're crump here
Packed in like sardines.
yeah, like a sardinas here in.
Like sardines.
So we bring
Like a
all
sandia.
our stuff in house. We're gonna live there in the no. So today guys, our adventure is we're gonna go camping.
We are going camping on my birthday weekend.
Yes, it's Daddy's birthday, so we're gonna go camping today. And where are we gonna go, guys?
I don't know.
We don't know yet. We're gonna
We're going up
explore
into the Uintas. So we're
Yeah.
gonna go try camping near Lost Creek.
Lost Creek campground in the Uintas mountain, right?
Yes.
So yeah, last time we go to this desert place. Okay, there you go. In the desert, we camp in the desert. So hot. This time we're gonna go in a woods where there is
Some trails.
some trees and there is some lakes. Okay, guys.
There's a
So
bunch of lakes up there.
yeah, there's
This is, they call this the Mammoth Lake region because there's lots of lakes. The Mammoth Lakes. Because there's like, I think there's like 30 some odd lakes up there. From little ones
Yeah.
to huge ones
Yeah.
like Mirror Lake.
It's surrounded by
So-
lakes and lots of trees.
So, but it'll be nice because Mommy can't check her Facebook up there.
There's no reception. So it's okay, guys. It's an adventure. That's how it is, right? Stay away from the what you call this to get a little bit off from
Living off
social
grid
media.
to stay away from the civilization. Civilization.
Okay, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that place. Oh, look.
And now
Beautiful.
Louis Vuitton.
Whatever.
And no Louis Vuitton.
Hello, Louis Vuitton. Say hi, guys. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? Okay. Leila, are you excited? No, she's not. Okay, guys. See you there, and we're gonna show you our adventure at Lost Creek Campground in the Uintas Mountain. Correct, Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Welcome to Lake such and such. There's more over here.
Oh.
It's a big block. So we're almost there, guys. We are coming up on Lost Creek Campground. That's where we're going to try to find a spot. Because it's not just going to be us. It's going to be, what, 5 families?
6 families.
6 families that are going to be coming up to spend some time to hang out with us on this one. We shall see. Oh, I saw Crystal Lake.
Hi.
I am tired. I am shaking.
That's okay.
Once you see the beauty in it, you're not gonna be tired. You're gonna be.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my God! This is the best of my life.
Until you see it, then it's.
What?
It's the best of my life. Until you see it. Oh no! What is this? I thought you said we were going to be in a beautiful location.
And the best day of my life.
It so happened that this camp area is first come, first served this weekend.
Yeah. 1 minute.
There's the lake.
Wow, look at that. There's
That's
the lake.
Lily Lake, I think. Yeah, that should be Lily
Oh, look
Lake.
at the lake on the other side too.
That's where we're going.
This is Lily Lake.
This is Lily Lake. This is the far side of. That's our
Oh my
site right there.
gosh.
Hey, you're. All right.
So, Lost Creek, this one.
Yeah.
Wasatch Forest Campground. Lost Creek. Oh,
Oh.
there's drinking water. There's water here.
No, this is sewage. Oh man.
Pack.
Oh no. Oh no.
What pack?
Man, you're walking so fast. So there's one spot here, but we're trying to find something
Reserve.
all together.
That reserve.
These are all supposed to be first come, first serve.
This all reserve.
These are supposed to be first come, first serve. How can it be reserved for this weekend?
Let's go bundak then.
No, not yet. Not yet. I don't understand.
There's more here.
Yeah. And some over there. Of course, this might just loop around.
Here.
So this is
Here.
one.
Here.
No, but wait.
We're 50 here.
Reserved. How's this reserved? For a first come, first serve, according to
Sorrow. 17.
15, 16, 17.
We go on the other side. Maybe this
I
area.
don't understand. It said it was first come, first serve. On recreation.gov, where you would make reservations. Anyways, guys, so what happened here is when I went online to check out this place, it said that the campground for Lost Creek was all first come, first served this weekend. But it seems that everything is reserved, which doesn't make sense if everything is first come, first served.
Yeah.
So I'm confused as to how they reserve it
Yeah.
when you can't reserve.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So guys, look at my kids. Look at my kids. Do you like DJ? Daririra. Dito na sila titira, guys. Oh, our the car.
Our photograph.
Oh. What happened to you?
Tired.
Tired, I'm out of breath, and we're high altitude, so making it hard to breathe.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So,
Hi guys. Manang, do you like?
Yeah, I love.
So this is our tent. What?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Are you hungry?
I love it.
Okay, I'm gonna prepare food. So guys, this is our tent here. So
first campsite, we're hoping everybody can fit.
yeah, we are 6 family members. So
We're 6 families, not family members.
family,
6 families.
6 families. Okay, fine. Hi, Manang. So here we are, guys. This is our camping area, kinda, because we'll see to it the mga kasama namin makapakit dito kasi meron silang RV. So, sinundo ngayon ni Douglas yung kasama namin ngayong gabi. So, naiwan kami dito. Si Layla, tsaka yung mga kids nandun. Si Kenzie at si DJ. Yan yung tent namin. Tapos ito, extra tent kay na Michelle. So, nilipat ko dito. Kanina dito ko nilagay siya. Pero nilipat ko dito pa.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, good morning. So, dito kami guys, so. This is our first day here. Ayan. Ito yung camping place namin guys. Ito yung sa amin. Hindi pa yan na-set up. Ay, na-set up na pala pero hindi pa naayos. Ayun naman ang kina-upload. Sina Eds at saka si Madam Vertude at saka si Rob B. So, 6 families kami guys. So, hindi pa dumating. So, ayan, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Ang laki ng space guys. Hi Liana, good morning. What's that sound? Woodpecker? Ah. Okay, so here guys. So ayan. Si DJ tulog na guys. So ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung ginawa kong kung saan kami maghugas ng aming mga or maligo or ito guys ginawa ko lang today. Yan yun guys. Ayan. Tara! Parang nagbahayan yung ginawa ko siya guys. So of course limited ang pag nag-open ganyan. Tapos pagpasok, welcome. Ayan yung mga yan yung tubig namin. Ayan. Dito. So yan guys. O diba? Okay na rin. Kahit konti may privacy kahit konti. Kasi ito yung hindi kami sa campground guys. Hindi kami yung sa campground talaga na nagbabayad ka na may libreng amenities. Wow, amenities. Na may libreng tubig at saka merong bathroom. Dito guys, wala. So parang, it's like, magbubundak lang kayo dito. Bundaking. So, ayan. So yun guys. So yung mga asawa namin wala kasi umalis, may binili sila sa it's like 30 minutes away from here guys, magbili ng mga supplies. Okay guys, so pinakita ko lang sa inyo, just showing you guys our place here in Uintas Mountain. Okay. Hi there. So, ayan na guys. So, si Kenzie, naglalaro na doon with the kids. Ayan siya. While Daddy is setting up another tarp shelter. Find me. We have a neighbor over there, guys.
Huh?
We have another neighbor over there. And this is Scott and Apple. We're waiting for 3 families, guys. So, we're waiting for 3 families to come in. Probably coming here around 6 o'clock or 5:30. What are you doing, Daddy?
Oh, I'm trying to...
Figure it out. Hi, Bobby. So, yeah, look at that.
Okay. Yes.
Little teenagers. Little teenagers. They're playing. Hi, Manang! Say hi!
I have Asian blood.
Okay.
What you said?
I have Asian blood in me.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell my dad. What? I'm gonna tell my dad.
What?
Dad, he thinks I have one type of blood.
Oh. Mosquito in your hand.
What?
It's not your blood. You have Asian genetics. Not blood.
Oh, don't step in here, please.
I have Asian type. Yeah.
So guys, ito yung nagluluto ako. Ito yung breakfast / lunch, guys. Itlog. Tapos yung rice pa kagabi, ininit ko lang siya. So, ngayon, ito yung sitwasyon namin, guys. Umulan, guys. Umulan. So, ayan, guys. Magluluto tayo. Umuulan at malamig. So, tingnan na, guys. Nakapit lang namin doon. Dito tayo ng ating breakfast. Kaya maganda dito, guys. Sana lumabas na yung araw. Nakikita nyo yan, guys. Yan, mountain yan. Ganda dito, guys. Sige guys, magluto muna ako, guys, ha. See you later, bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Daddy ulo ko, I cook fish. I cook sinigang. Ay, na! Paksyo.
Paksiw?
Ay, malandi.
Alright. So, talk.
So guys, oh,
We got
nagluto ako ng paksyo.
almost everybody is here now for our little birthday soiree. Turns out that one of our attendees is also happens to have the same birthday as me.
Sunday sila, pe. Yung lalaki sa kabila.
So
Sunday din yung birthday niya. So, ayan,
yeah. So here's he patiently, diligently tearing stuff up. Go DJ, carry on. Here they are, patiently, diligently tearing stuff up. Kenzie, why don't you put your iPad away while you're doing this so you don't tear it up, please? And you should probably.
Hi, people of the world.
I should walk pizza.
Yes.
Hi, people of the world.
Hello, people of the internet.
I should walk pizza.
Hello, people.
I should walk pizza.
YouTube. Hello, people.
That's my hammock, and I don't even get to use it. Oh. So now I need to go show you our makeshift bathroom in the woods. Okay. Hi, Layla. Hey.
Oh, balakan natin lang itong mangga.
Hello, Madam Vertrude.
Hi!
Oh, sorry, Madam Vertrude.
Welcome to my channel! Tigas mo, tingnan mo. Yung cake, Bay, sa birthday pa to, Bay. Eh, ano naman? Marami na mga kulay-kulay na. Green, violet. Colorful nga. Mukhang maasim yung mangga. Mukhang maasim. Kimchi cucumber. Ayan guys. Kimchi lahat. Ready na yung dinner namin. Ready na.
Flan, what?
Pampano, mga anak ng Amerikano, mac and cheese.
Oh, tingnan mo
Pampano,
sila.
ay ito pa.
Si Madam nagvo-vlog. Naka-white pa yan, ha?
White pa yan, meron na pala.
Naka-white pa yan.
Pang mayaman, kimchi. Maporma yan, Jo! Stinky, it's so
O,
stinky.
yung anak ko, salamat naman at natahimik.
Mag-picture mo.
Ay, umalis na sila! Yung kapitbahay natin, Be, lumayas na.
Ay, tama yan. Tama yan. Nagluto ka ng isda eh.
Oh, ay, oo, Be! Di ba nung nakaraan nung nag-ano tayo, nung nag-camping, lumayas din sila. Kasi nagluto ako ng isda. Ngayon lumayas din yung kapitbahay namin dun.
Hello.
Hi.
Alam na natin kung ano ang dapat. Oh, you gotta eat your meat.
Ito po, Daddy.
Ayan.
Ito po, Daddy. Chicken,
You
Daddy.
don't
Yes,
eat
ma'am.
your chicken, you weren't gonna play.
O, tingnan mo yung anak ko doon siya. Makain. O, sige guys. Kain na muna kami, guys. Okay? See you later, alligator. Bye-bye. Mwah.